Only people who get it, get it. J. Get it. Mastering the Art of Budgeting, Strategies for Financial Success by J. Get it. Welcome to J. Get it, your go-to channel for affirmation and financial literacy. In today's video, we're diving deep into the art of budgeting and exploring powerful strategies that will pave the way to financial success. Join us on this transformative journey as we unlock the secrets to mastering your finances through effective budgeting. Budgeting is a crucial tool for financial stability and success. It allows you to take control of your money, prioritize your spending, and make informed financial decisions. In this comprehensive video, we will guide you through the process of mastering the art of budgeting with practical strategies that can transform your financial life. Let's dive into some essential budgeting strategies for financial success. 1. Setting clear financial goals. Discover the importance of defining your financial goals and how they act as a compass for your budgeting journey. We'll explore various goals, such as saving for emergencies, paying off debt, or achieving long-term aspirations. 2. Tracking income and expenses. Learn how to effectively track your income and expenses, whether through traditional methods or digital tools. We'll provide tips on categorizing expenses and identifying areas where you can cut back or save more. 3. Creating a realistic budget. Understand the step-by-step process of creating a budget that aligns with your financial goals. We'll cover allocating funds to different categories, such as housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. 4. Prioritizing saving and debt repayment. Explore strategies to prioritize saving and debt repayment within your budget. We'll discuss the importance of building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, and tackling debt systematically. Alongside these strategies, we'll provide you with practical tips to stay on track with your budget. From avoiding impulse purchases to managing irregular expenses and dealing with unexpected financial challenges, we've got you covered. Remember, mastering the art of budgeting takes time and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. By taking control of your finances, you'll pave the way for financial success, reduce stress, and achieve your long-term goals. That concludes today's video. If you found this information valuable, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Together, let's master the art of budgeting and unlock the path to financial success. Stay motivated, stay empowered, and always remember, the only people who get it, get it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.